Canva hacks. We all love them and we all need them. Now I've got a pretty cool Canva hack which I want to share with you today. And it's all to do with colour palettes. Now this is going to work well with any project that you create here in Canva, but it's going to work best with presentations. So let me show you what this hack is. First, we're going to need a presentation. We can simply use Canva's pre-made templates. Now let's go ahead and use this one, which I've previously used before. I'm going to click on here, and now we have the template as our project. Now what we're going to do is need some colour palettes. Now you can use Canva's own colour palette generator. I will link this down in the description below. This is a great resource if you're trying to find colour combinations for your projects, but you can also use something like Colour Hunt. Now I will link both of these websites down in the description below. Now what you want to do is take a screenshot of the colour palette that you like. So I'm going to screenshot or screen grab all of these colours just here. I'm then going to save that like so. And now what we're going to do is come back over to the project. We're going to take that downloaded screenshot, then upload that here in Canva. We're going to grab it or just put it onto the page like this. Then we can right click, come down to apply colours to page, and now it's added all of those colours from that colour palette to our project. Now we can delete that and bam, we have those colour combinations that we really like. Now for more bite-sized Canva tutorials, click right here and watch this playlist.